What's up, everyone? Yoda Fam Adventures back with another video. Um, Obviously, I haven't been filming or making very many videos. A lot of life changes. Started a business 100% on my own and things like that. So, I really wanted to show something that I recently got and kind of show y'all some modifications I've done so far on it. So here we have a hiker trailer, Highway Deluxe. It is a 5x8. I've put additional crossbars, 270-degree awning, shower room on it, and then I do have a lock and roll hitch setup that I'm going to be installing on this. And then one of my favorite mods I've done so far, and I'm excited to camp this week after Christmas with it, is these curtains. So I bought these $17, $16 on Amazon. I bought these little adhesive clips here, and then I used paracord and ran it through, and these are, I think they're 30 by 24, and they fit perfect on the hiker trailer windows. Super affordable. I mean, realistically, if you already have paracord, you can do this for under 20 bucks for both windows. Still coming up with a solution for the door window, but we have a screen on the window, so it kind of covers half of it already. And I'm just gonna come up with probably the same method, just a different size for it. So you can see that window's a little bit more narrow. Yep. If y'all are interested, I'm gonna leave the curtains I got and the little adhesive clips I bought in the description. I appreciate y'all watching. I do have some updates to show on my truck. I'll show y'all kind of just a little bit of a hint. Let me open the garage here. So I was dealing with having to take this fridge in and out of the truck and stuff. It was a huge pain in the butt. I got this Front Runner / Dometic fridge slide. It is freaking awesome. Has a table slide out. What I did was I actually used riv nuts. I drilled, I think there's a total of 8 riv nuts, and then I just bolted it directly to the bottom of my truck. I actually have a rubber mat in there as well, that I got on Amazon. And it kind of helps grip really well. But the quality of the Front Runner slide is, in my opinion, one of the best in the industry. And then I installed a Sandy Cat's water tank, which I've had this thing for a long time now. I was able to shove a 2x4 between that so it doesn't move around, and it's wedged in there. And then I just used a Front Runner strap it down in there, and then I have some paracord holding the nozzle as well. And then I picked up on Facebook Marketplace, some guy was selling, actually really cool guys. It was 3 guys. One had a Tundra, one had a Tacoma. I think the other guy had a Tundra as well, just a 3rd gen. But essentially I took all my recovery gear, put it in there, and then I put all my tools I need in there. And I still have a Pelican case down there with spare axle, my off-road jack, spare hubs, and then this is all my stuff for airing up and airing down. So obviously whenever it's fully loaded, this is how it's just going to be on a daily basis. I don't drive my truck every day anymore, which is nice, but you know, once we're packed up, I'll have to reorganize like my air down stuff and things like that, and kind of figure it out. It's nice because the hiker trailer, has so much additional storage. I could put a bunch of stuff inside the toolbox, and then if I go around back, I mean, I have so much extra room in here. I kind of organize things just temporarily. I'll probably move some stuff around. I got my onboard battery, power unit. I have an additional power unit I'm probably gonna put like right there. Some extra tools. I have my diesel heater behind this area. It's a new diesel heater. I can't remember the brand, but it's like in a little suitcase, which is nice. And then just utensils and seasonings and stuff up here. So I'm excited. I'm gonna try to do some more videos coming here in the next week or so while we're out of town. I do have some modifications I'm doing to the trailer. I'm doing an axle flip on this, or not an axle flip, but I'm gonna raise it up 2 inches. I'll show that kit and install of it when I get to that point as well. So if y'all have any questions about anything y'all see in the video, if it's my truck related stuff or anything related with the trailer, drop a comment. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.